Hey, everybody, and welcome back. We're diving deep today into learning English through everyday conversations,
Yeah,
specifically using those simple words and phrases,
you can use them anywhere.
out in the real world.
Exactly.
And so let's go ahead and introduce ourselves. I'm Alex,
And I'm Ella. Nice to meet you.
and today we are talking about flu prevention.
Very important topic.
Yes, very important, especially as we come into flu season.
Right?
And we have a simple dialogue between two friends
Oh,
talking about getting their flu shots.
perfect.
And before we kind of break it down and look at all the pieces, let's just hear it first.
Sounds good.
All right, so Ella, you ready?
Ready?
Okay, here we go. Hey, Ella, did you get your flu shot this year?
Not yet. I keep forgetting. Did you?
Yes, I got mine last week. It's really important.
I know, but I feel fine. Do I really need it?
Of course. It protects you and others around you.
I guess you're right. Where can I get it?
Most clinics and pharmacies offer it. Some workplaces do too.
Okay, I'll check at the pharmacy near my house.
All right, so that was our dialogue about flu prevention.
Short and simple.
Short and simple, but
Lots to learn.
there's a lot we can learn from it.
Yeah.
So let's break down some of the key words and phrases
Okay, let's do it.
that we heard in that conversation.
Sounds good.
So first up, let's talk about flu shot.
Okay.
What exactly is a flu shot?
So a flu shot is a medicine
Okay.
that helps your body fight the flu.
Okay.
And it's a really quick and easy way to stay healthy during flu season.
Yeah. And flu is short for influenza,
That's right.
which is a virus that can make you sick.
Right.
You get a shot or an injection to help prevent you from getting the flu.
Yeah.
So remember flu shot.
It's a good thing,
It's a good thing.
not a bad thing.
Okay, so next word, let's talk about pharmacy.
Okay.
So what is a pharmacy?
A pharmacy is a store where you can buy medicine.
Okay.
You can also get your flu shot there.
Oh, so it's kind of like a one-stop shop for your health.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, great. And how about the word protect?
Protect. What does that mean?
So protect means to keep someone or something safe.
Okay.
So in our dialogue, the flu shot protects you from getting sick.
Right. So it keeps you safe
Yes.
from the flu.
The flu can't get you.
Exactly. All right. So let's do a quick recap
Okay.
of those three important words we just talked about.
Sounds good.
Flu shot
Pharmacy.
and protect.
So remember, flu shot is a medicine that helps you fight the flu.
Right.
Pharmacy is a store where you can buy medicine and get a flu shot.
Okay.
And protect means to keep someone or something safe.
Perfect. So if you're enjoying this deep dive and want to learn more helpful phrases and vocabulary,
Yes.
don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this episode a like.
We've got lots more to share with you.
All right. So let's get back to our dialogue
Okay?
and take a look at some of those key phrases we heard.
Let's do it.
So, Ella, what was the first question I asked you?
You asked, did you get your flu shot this year? That's right. And that is a simple and direct way to
Yeah.
ask someone if they have been vaccinated against the flu.
You
It's a question you can really use in any situation
could.
when talking about the flu shot.
Yeah.
Okay, so then what was your response?
I said, not yet. I keep forgetting.
Not yet. I keep forgetting. So I keep forgetting is a common phrase.
Right.
That means you forget something often.
Happens a lot.
Yeah, so it's like saying I forget again and again.
Exactly.
Okay, so then I said,
Uh-huh.
it's really important,
Oh,
you know.
Yes, you did.
And that is just a great phrase to use when you want to emphasize something that you believe strongly in.
Mm-hmm.
You're telling someone like, hey, this is important, you should pay attention.
Yeah, you should listen.
So remember, it's really important.
Important.
Okay, and then you said,
I said, do I really need it?
do I really need it?
Questioning.
Yeah, so this is a question that kind of expresses doubt
Yeah.
or
And
hesitation.
a little bit of hesitation.
You're not really sure if you need to do something.
Yeah. Not convinced.
Not convinced yet.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I said,
You said.
of course, it protects you and others around you.
That's a good one.
So this is just like a very clear explanation
Uh-huh.
of why the flu shot is important.
Right.
It's not just about you.
It's about everybody.
It's about everyone. It
Yes.
benefits both you and the people around you.
Yeah.
All right, and then your final question in that dialogue was,
Where can I get it?
Where can I get it?
A very important question.
Very practical.
Yes.
You want to know where to go to
Exactly.
get the flu shot.
Right.
And it shows that you're actually interested in taking action.
I'm going to do it.
Yes.
I'm going to go get that shot.
So we covered a lot of ground
We did.
in this first part of our deep dive.
Yeah.
We listened to the dialogue.
Uh-huh.
We identified key words and phrases.
Right.
And we even started to think about how you can use them
Yes.
in your own conversations.
That's right. And we're back.
We're back.
Continuing our deep dive into flu prevention.
Flu prevention, yes. And learning how to use
Yeah.
those simple phrases that we talked about in part 1.
In your everyday conversations.
In your everyday conversations,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
The goal is to make you feel comfortable and confident talking about health
Yes.
in English.
Right.
So let's imagine you're talking to a friend,
Okay.
okay, and they mention getting their flu shot.
Yeah, okay.
What could you say?
Oh, let me think.
You could just ask them,
Okay.
did you get your flu shot?
Oh, yeah, just like you did in the dialogue.
Just like I did in the dialogue.
Easy peasy.
It was very simple.
Yeah.
It's natural.
Yeah.
And it's an easy way to start a conversation.
Yeah. Just a good opening line.
Okay, now what if your friend says they haven't gotten their flu shot yet?
Uh-oh.
What could you say then?
Oh.
You could gently remind them about the importance of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you could say something like, it's really important, it protects you and others.
Yeah. You're right.
So you're reminding them that it's not just about them,
Right.
the flu shot.
It's about everyone.
It's about protecting everyone around them as well.
It's true.
Yeah. And if they're still kind of hesitant,
Okay.
maybe not sure if they want to get it,
Yeah.
you could share your own experience.
Oh, that's a good idea.
You could say, I got mine last week. It was quick and easy,
Yeah, I like that.
right? And that might encourage them to get vaccinated too.
Right. Lead by example.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay.
Now, let's say you're the one who hasn't gotten the flu shot.
Uh-huh.
How could you respond?
Oh, gosh. Well, I guess I could just be honest
Yeah.
and say, not yet. I keep forgetting.
Right. You could just say, not yet, I keep forgetting.
Yes, like I did before.
Just like you said in the dialogue.
Yeah.
Okay. And then if your friend asks where they can get their flu shot, what could you tell them?
Well, you can get it at most clinics and pharmacies.
Okay.
Some workplaces offer it too.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah, so you've got options.
You got options.
Okay.
Okay, so we've talked about,
Yeah.
asking someone if they got their flu shot,
Uh-huh.
reminding them to get it.
Right.
But what if you're feeling a little hesitant
Okay.
about getting the flu shot yourself?
Oh, okay, yeah.
How could we express that?
Well, you could just say, I'm not sure I need to think about it.
Okay.
Or I'm still doing some research.
Okay, yeah. So it's perfectly fine to express those concerns.
Right. It's your health.
And, maybe you need more information before you decide.
Of course.
So let's try to practice using these phrases in different situations.
Okay, sounds fun.
So imagine you're at work and a colleague mentions feeling a little under the weather.
Uh-oh.
What could you say?
Well, I could ask, did you get your flu shot this year?
Okay. And if they say no,
Uh-huh.
you could gently suggest it's not too late to get one. It might help you feel better faster.
Yeah, that's good advice.
And it also shows that you care
Right.
about your colleague's health.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's say you're a parent talking to your child about getting the flu shot.
That's a good one.
What could you say?
Well, you want to keep it simple,
Yeah.
right? You could say something like, this shot will help keep you from getting sick.
Yeah, or it's like a shield that protects you from the flu.
Ooh, I like that.
Right.
Very visual.
And if they're scared,
Oh, yeah.
you could say, it's okay to be scared. It's just a quick pinch and then it's over.
Sure, a good parent.
I try my best.
Yeah, reassuring them can make a big difference.
It really can, especially for kids.
Yeah.
So, we've seen how these simple phrases
Yeah.
can be used in so many different situations.
Right, anywhere.
And the more you practice them,
Right?
the more fluent and confident you'll become in English.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect.
You got it.
Welcome back to the deep dive, everyone.
We're wrapping up our episode all about flu prevention.
Yeah, using those everyday conversations to learn some English.
Exactly.
And today we learned how to ask someone if they've gotten their flu shot.
Uh-huh.
Explain why it's important.
Very important.
Even express some hesitation if you're not sure about it.
Right.
Or offer reassurance.
Yes, very helpful.
So what's really cool about these simple phrases that we talked about is that they can be adapted
Right.
to all these different situations.
You can use them anywhere.
We saw how we can use the same language at work, with friends, with your kids.
It's true.
And I think that's a key takeaway.
Yeah.
For anyone learning English.
Especially.
It's not about memorizing all these different phrases for every single situation.
You don't need a million phrases.
You don't need a million phrases.
No.
You just need to understand
the core meaning.
The core meaning, and then adjust it.
Twist it around a little bit.
Twist it around to fit what you're talking about.
Yeah. Make it your own.
And the more you practice that,
the
easier it becomes.
Exactly.
So for you listening right now, this means you can start using these phrases today.
Yeah.
Even if you're just beginning to learn English.
Doesn't matter if you're a beginner.
These simple phrases are going to help you have real conversations about health.
About staying healthy.
And every time you use English, you are learning and improving.
That's right.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
It's part of the process.
It's how you learn.
That's how we learn. That's how we grow.
That's right.
So go out there and practice.
Talk to your friends.
Ask your friends about their flu shots. Tell them about your experience.
Yeah.
And if you're unsure about something,
ask a question.
Don't be shy. Ask a question.
Don't be afraid.
And if you enjoyed this deep dive,
we hope you did.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more episodes.
We have so many more.
On learning English through everyday conversations.
Exactly.
We are here to help you.
On your English journey.
On your English journey. Until next time.
Bye.
See you later.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.